Unraveling British Slang. Understanding, not giving a monkeys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of British slang, not giving a monkeys. This phrase is a colorful way to express indifference or lack of concern, and it's a great example of the playful and sometimes puzzling nature of English idioms. So, if you're ready to add some fun British expressions to your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Not giving a monkeys is a uniquely British expression that means not caring at all about something. The full phrase is often, not give a monkey's uncle, but it's commonly shortened to, not give a monkeys. It's used to emphasize a complete lack of interest or concern about a situation, outcome, or opinion. For example, if someone says, I don't give a monkeys about the outcome of the game, they're saying they really don't care about it at all. The phrase is believed to have originated in the 20th century in the UK. Although the exact origins are a bit murky, it's thought to be linked to the use of monkey as slang for a £500 note in the early 1900s. Over time, the expression evolved from referring to monetary matters to a broader expression of indifference. The addition of uncle in the longer form, not give a monkey's uncle, is an example of rumbo slang, where a word is added for emphasis but doesn't necessarily change the meaning. Using not giving a monkeys in conversation can add a playful or emphatic tone when expressing disinterest or indifference. It's perfect for informal settings and should be avoided in formal or professional contexts. Here's how you might use it. In response to gossip, honestly, I don't give a monkeys what they think. When discussing preferences, I don't give a monkeys which restaurant we go to, as long as the food is good. Remember, while it's a fun expression, it's best used among friends or in casual situations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, not giving a monkeys. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this quirky piece of British slang and feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and expressions that make it unique. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't give a monkeys about making mistakes. They're all part of the learning process.